Do you ever wish of creating AI agent that will be able to serve whole internet in the seconds? My name is Onsai Videk, I'm 23 years old, AI agency owner, and on this channel I'm trying to teach my audience, like you, how you can be the god in the AI space. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build everything with Perplexity.ai and N8N. So, let's start. Okay guys, so here we are, and as you can see, this is scenario that we're gonna build today. Today's video will be pretty fast. I just want to show you how you can use Perplexity and NAN together to upscale your AI agent power. But first things first, what is NAN and what is Perplexity? NAN is an automation workflow platform, something like make.com, but even better because there you have preset AI agent that you can use for your processes. And they upscale your whole automation process with the power of AI. So you can here automate all the processes that you have in your business or daily life or whatever on this platform. And what is Perplexity.ai? The Perplexity is like, we can say, AI web browser. It's something better than the Google, because normally on the Google, if you want to find something, you need to write what you want to find, and you need to choose from, I don't know, plenty of web links. Where will be the information that you want to know. Perplexity is doing that thing, that they will find the websites instead of you and summarize all that stuff from the websites for you, so it makes your web browsing faster than normal. Okay, so you will find the answer or your question faster than normal with the Google. So that's it. That's what's Perplexity about. And now maybe you know why it is useful for your AI agents, because if you will use Perplexity for your AI agent, you will have actual data from the web browser with the Perplexity, and it will do all the summarizing stuff and everything for you, so you don't need to set this agent for you, but agent will only just analyze the data that came from the Perplexity for next node in your scenario. Node is one action that you have in your whole scenario. Okay, but now I will show you the live demo, how does it work. Okay guys, so how this scenario is working. As you can see, the first node here is the Google Sheets trigger. We are using this trigger for just getting all the information that we need for the Perplexity, what to find. After that, we have the code node. This code node just filters all the information, so you can imagine that we have in the Google Sheets, we have, I don't know, 100 rows that we want to find, but every time we want to send it to Perplexity only by one node, so we can say that it's just filter all the information that we have only to one or one node, one step, one point that we want to send to Perplexity to find, okay? To just not upscale the limit of the Perplexity that you can do, okay? Because there are some limitations with the APIs, and that's what this code node is helping us, okay? But what is the Perplexity, or how does it work, okay? I will show you the live demo now, very quick. So you can see here, I will click on test workflow. After that, the code will start work. It sent only one item into the Perplexity node, and as you can see here in the Perplexity, when we click on the Perplexity after it will finish, you will see the output that Perplexity just gave to us, okay? So as you can see here is the output. Here you can see we have the usage here, citations, and there is all the informations that just Perplexity find for us, okay? But now, how you can do it for yourself, how you can connect Perplexity for yourself, because why I want to show you that, because normally, intuitively, there is no Perplexity node that you can connect in the NAN, sadly. But I think in the future it will be here, but how you can do it for yourself. So let's click on, let's save it. Let's click on overview. Let's go to the overviews and let's create a new workflow. First thing, we need to choose the Google Sheet trigger. We will do it only on row edit. Here you need to do the connection with your Google account, Google Sheet account, Google Workspace account, whatever. So you will click on it, you will click on create a new credentials. After it, you will click on sign in with Google, and you will choose which Google account you want to connect with this trigger or with this scenario, okay? So I already have it, so I won't do it now in this moment. So I will choose the one that I've already done before. Here you will click on how often the system needs to be just turn on, okay? So I have here the trigger will check every minute if there is a new added row or something. And here you need to choose which sheet you want to control, okay? So I will choose Perplexity connection video. That's the test sheet for this video. I will click on fetch test to just test if everything is work. Yeah, as you can see, everything is work. Was the next node that I will put here is the code. Code is filter all the information that we have only into one. So what we need to do is I've already prepared here the code, so I will put here the code that I've already prepared before. Code will be in the JavaScript. Normally you can use also this pretty nice function here that you will click on Ask AI, and here you can write in one prompt what you want to do, and it will write whole code for you, and you don't need to, I don't know how to coding on etc. So it's super easy for those of you who might not have any experience with the coding. You can use that, and I think you will be able to just do it for yourself. Okay, so click on code, everything is fine. Let's click on test. Yeah, as you can see here, it's filtered for us only one item that we will send to the Perplexity. But what do you need to do now if you want to connect the Perplexity? You need to go to HTTP request. And now, normally I can say what to do, where you will find it on the API documentation, but Perplexity have it super easy, okay? The set of that is super easy. So what you need to do is just go to the perplexity.ai. You will sign in, and after you will sign in, you need to go to the settings. So let's click on settings, yeah. And here you have APIs, okay? So first thing that you need to do is just add here some credit, okay? So you need to add here your credit card or whatever, or your virtual card, and add here some credit, because API costs you some money that you are using. It's not expensive, but you need to put here some credits to make sure that API will work for you, okay? Sorry guys. So here at the end, I have my API key. I will delete it after this video. Never ever share your API key with anybody. It's super dangerous to do it like that. As you know, if somebody will use it, it can, I don't know, it can cost you so much money to just that this guy can spend with your API key. So never ever share it. I will delete it before I will upload this video. But what you need to do is just create this API key. So you will click on create, and you will create a new one. I already have one, so I will copy the last one that I have. And now, sorry guys, and now what you need to do is just go to docs.perplexity.ai. Here you need to go to API reference, and here you are. You need to choose chat completions. So, and what you need to do here, actually, normally, okay, so you need to copy your API key, and after that you need to go to docs.perplexity.ai. Here you need to choose API reference, and here you need to choose also chat completions. There is nothing more, so you can choose only this option, but make sure that you know what you are doing, okay? So here you have an authorization there, you know that you need to use your API key, and also here is the body, okay? So what we need to do is just add the information inside. So normally you will choose, you will click on try it, and here you need to put your API key. So here I will put my API key. I copied it badly. Sorry guys, I copied it badly. So let's go back. Let's click on copy. Let's go here. Yeah, there is our API key. As you can see, API key automatically fill out inside the curl that we have. I will explain to you in a minute what is the curl. And here is the message, okay guys? Here you need to choose which model you want to choose. You can click on supported models, and here you can choose which model you want to use. For our usage, I will use Sonar Pro. So let's go back. Here, let's put Sonar Pro. And in the message, there is the thing that you can't do in a bad way, okay? Because firstly, if you want, you need to put a system prompt for the agent that will help you with all that stuff. So I will write, be concrete and professional in your answers. Make sure that your answers are correct, and you are not hallucinating, okay? I don't know how to spell hallucinating, but maybe it's incorrect, guys. I'm so sorry for that. But you will do it like that. After that, you need to click on system, okay? Because firstly, you need to add into the kernel the system prompt. So that means how this engine is like ChatGPT, how it will behave to you, okay? So what it will do, it will write you the short answers, concrete, correct, and the correct one, professional and correct one. And after that, you need to put here, what are you asking about? So now we can put here only like, what is the highest mountain on the world? Sorry, on the world. And here you need to click on user. Okay, after you will click on user, everything is set, and you are ready to just start. Okay, so you need to go here, click on copy, and go back to your workflow. Here, click on, when you are in HTTP request, click on open the import URL, import it, and as you can see, it automatically changed everything for us and preset the HTTP request for us. So what you need to do now is just test it, okay? When we will test it, now it will work, and now we'll answer to our question about the highest mountain, okay? But okay, as you can see here, here's the output, and as you can see, Mountain Everest is the highest mountain, etc., etc. Here is the link where I found it, etc., etc. That's what we want. That's what we wanted, okay? But now, what you need to do if you want to ask about something from your news, about the article from the news that we have in our Google Sheet. So what you need to do is just go here, click on this Edit JSON button. And as you can see here, here is the system prompt, so you won't change it, you will let it like it is. If you want to change it, you can. But what you need to do is just go here, delete this content that you've asked in the Perplexity, put it like that. And here you need to just grab and put your trigger that we have, okay? Trigger, the scheme point, the string that we have from previous nodes, okay? So as you can see, here is our filtered article after the code node. You'll put here into the content, and boom. Let's test it now. As you can see, everything will work for us now, and we will have now the answer specifically on the article that we just filtered for this scenario. So as you can see, the BBC News apps offer the users the latest news and breaking stories from the UK and around the world. Yeah, and here is the answer about what is this article about and what we are solving in this article, okay? And yeah, guys, that's it. That's everything. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button. And also just check the description below this video, because there will be all the information and the links for Perplexity, also the link for NAN. And if you want to know more from the world of AI agent, just follow us, and looking forward for the next video. Bye.